Okay, right now I'm going to connect the red wire to the bottom uh, terminal here. It's kind of hard to get to, um, but I'll figure it out. I'm going to have to loosen up just a tad bit more. I loosened earlier, but it's not loosening enough. Let's see here. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to slide this wire, the red wire that goes into the bottom. And there it is. And let's tighten that up again. Now, the black wire, I'm going to loosen that up. I'm loosening the black, I'm sorry, not the black wire, but the nut or the screw. The screw that takes the black wire. And I'm going to slide that in. It's a little, like I said, it's a little difficult. I usually work with some needle nose pliers. I'm not going to pull those out. I don't feel like going through that right now. So I'm going to make it a little harder for myself. Wish I had nothing but time on my hands at this moment. And I know it's a little too much information, but it is what it is. Okay, I hope you guys can see me trying to get this in here. Let me loosen up just a tad bit more. For some reason it's just not sliding in. Come on. Good to have small tools like these to work in small areas like this. All right, let's see. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna tighten this up now. Okay, so that's a good connect, and here's a good connect on the bottom one. All right, now I'm going to snap in the connector, and that's to be very easy. Okay, so now we reconnected, and that's exactly how you would reconnect the your actual wires back to the motherboard or the display board, which is the old display board, or computer board, depending on who you're talking to. I'm going to say motherboard because that's what I like to say. All right, so I'm going to plug this back in and hope that I get all, not all zero, hope that I get the right reading on the display board. Otherwise, like I said earlier, if I plug this back in, and when I turn the unit back on, I'm over here, and then the unit reads zeros across the board again, I'm going to have to redo this whole entire process, take everything back off again, then battle by taking off this wire, the red and black wire, which leads all the way around, from here all the way up inside of these wires here, inside of these this black, actually no, it's right here on the side. So this wire right here, I don't know if you can see it, but this wire, that black wire right here, I'm gonna use my tool to point at it. So this black wire right here is the wire that's gonna have to be changed out, which means I'm gonna have to take the whole back side of this unit off and hook that wire up, and then run it back around again up into here. And cross your fingers, that's not my problem, but if it is, I'll show you that video as well. Okay, as you see, I just plugged the machine back in, and I'm going to turn it on right here. Okay, Okay, now we're gonna look at this display board and see what we have. And you know what? We got all zeros again. So I'm gonna hit the reset button. Set button, I mean. Hit it again. Hit it again. And yep. So I have more work to do. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will share the second part of this video, or the third part of this video soon.